First one here is going to be WETO, or WETO. This is WeTour Robotics. The stock is up nearly 200%, 188%. This is a US-based company. When I checked earlier, I didn't see any news on this, so up a ton on no news here. We'll check some of the other metrics we normally do. This short interest does not, I mean, maybe, but 88.2% up from 9%. Something odd happened there. I'd be a little curious and kind of question that.
Recent reverse split.
Recent reverse split. There we go. Thank you. 100. Now, we do have a micro float on this, so it's very easy to push around. That's likely why we're seeing this here. 13, do you have any crazy levels or anything that we should be made aware of here? I mean, I see one. We've seen this stock absolutely rip before. By the way, it made its highs in the pre-market when it did this before. I'll connect those two highs with the trend line. But you see anything else here?
Well, it is, well, first of all, if you look at a daily chart, there is the, it looks like it came very, very close to the 20-day SMA. So as we were just saying with mean reversions, there is one potential indication why this is bouncing back up on maybe no news, aside from the reverse split that made the float very, very easy to push around. So it could just be one of those things that technical traders were looking at and go, there's a good spot to pick this up and take it for a ride. No indication if that's the case or not, but we can always speculate. Now looking at a 5-minute chart, this thing it has been kind of getting a little weaker as the morning's gone on since about 6 a.m. with the MACD kind of drifting lower, but it appears to be curling back up and getting ready to get going here. So as long as we hold this VWAP, I think that this kind of sideways area that we've been in from about 950 to 1175, we could see a move up and out of this with just increased volume. I think that's really all that we need at this point because the float is so low. Don't know what we're going to get out of the gate. It's something I think I would wait a few minutes for out of the gate to see what it does. If it gives up the VWAP and goes on to the 65 EMA, or if we get that push right out of the gate to 1175. This is something I'd be a little bit careful out of the gate here because we're still pretty up high on this price.